Good morning, students. In this day, I am going to teach you how to form sentence in past simple negative. Here we have subject plus didn't plus verb. That is the structure that you are going to use. And what is our subject in this picture? The rabbit. So we are going to write the rabbit. We have the word didn't. The rabbit didn't. And we have the verb. We can write the verb eat. Yesterday. Here we have our sentence. The rabbit didn't eat yesterday. And now we are going to form the question. First, we are going to write the word did. Did plus subject. The rabbit is the subject. Did the rabbit plus verb eat yesterday? And here we form our question. Did the rabbit eat yesterday?